My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Today we will discuss about the Islamic flag disqualification in context of the human values because Islam does not respect the human values. So Islamic flag is the symbol of the cruelty, brutality to the non-Muslims, and it is a liability to all the non-Muslim countries that we should not respect the Islamic flag. Those people are saying, as Chandrasekhar Raman stated, that I respect all religions, but he does not know what is the religion and what is the cult or the ideology. So, if a religion is resemble with the religion, a cult resemble to the religion means the relevancy, betterment for all the whole kingdom or universe, then it is a religion. Whereas Islam is not a religion. Islam is a perfect gunism against the non-Muslims, against the human values or the civil society. So most of politician does not know that what is the religion and what is the cruelty. Thoroughly, I would like to say that if Chandrasekhar respect the Islam, that he is not a good person. A people who is not respect the Islam, it either he is a cunning or the hypocrite, because he if he respect the Islam, then he cannot be a good person. Because who are respecting the Islam? Only those people who are believing the cruelty, brutality of the Muhammad in the name of the Allah. So these cunning or hypocrites or the stupid politicians do not know even single ABCD of Islam. Islamic flag is the symbolic of the brutality, cruelty against the non-Muslim values. This is why in India, those people are making the alliances with the Muslims and the non-Muslims. They are a fraudulent. They do not know even the single ABCD about the Islam. Because if the all Muslims are the true Muslims, they can never respect the president of any party if the president is Hindu. Means no Muslim according to Quran respect the Akhilesh Yadav if he is in Samajwadi party being a true Muslim. No Muslim can respect Chandrasekhar Azad as his party head. He is the party head of the Azad party. So this is not the reciprocal give and take, but this is the one way of traffic of Islam, who always brutality, cruelty, and the stability of this world. So my dear friend, those people are saying that we respect all the religion including Islam. They are not good person. Then if Islam is so bad, then the Islamic flag is the symbol of a cruelty. Hooliganism against the human values and the humanity as rapes, killings and robberies allowed with daughters of the non-Muslim kafir. Secularism is absent in Islam. Then why Muslims are screaming secularism in India, where Islam does not allow? This means those leaders are praising secularism. They are against Allah and will go to hell. According to Islam, there is no secularism, because Islam is based on the hate against the non-Muslim. and their versus places. So those Muslims which are living in India and abroad in Pakistan and Bangladesh are saying that we are praising secularism, your birthright. They are cheating the Allah theory, rather literally the theory of the Muhammad bin Abdullah, that is the so-called prophet of the Islam. So it is hard to say that any non-Muslim leader will be respected by any other Muslim leader. If the Hindu leader is the chairman of that party, even the simple worker, if a Muslim and he respect the head of that party as the Akhilesh Yadav, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mayawati, even though BJP had Amit Shah or Aam Aadmi Party, sorry, that according to Islam he is not true Muslim, because Islam restricted the secularism and the respect to the all non-Muslims. Rather, Islam has the salient feature of the hate spreading, killing, rapes with non-Muslim women after kidnapping them, means total barbarism. If those Muslims which are making the brotherhood with Hindus in India, they are not true Muslims, and these Muslims are against the Allah, and their abode will be, or their dwelling will be in hell. So my dear friend, no Muslim country can respect the un-Islamic country, whether they are the Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Oman, all the 44 Muslim majority countries, and the group of the Muslim Cooperation Organization, International Organization of Islamic Group, they cannot respect the president of even the Donald Trump, even the president of the Narendra Modi, even the president Vladimir Putin, president of the China, Cheng Li, or I don't know what is his name, and even the president of the chairman of North Korea, and the South Korea, means where the head of any party, any country are the non-Muslims, they are not respected by their Muslim citizens. Even they are taking asylum in the non-Muslim or un-Islamic majority countries, they cannot respect you. Then what is need to give asylum to these Muslims, which never respect you since inception of the Islam? Islam is base or the root depends of the hate spreading stupidity and the cruelty against the non-Muslims. So Islamic flag cannot be a symbol of the secularism or the respecting the human values or for the peace and harmony. Islamic flag always the symbol of the barbarism of the Islamic goons and Islamic hooliganism, because base of Islam is only war against the non-Muslims, because they are kafir or the filthy or the liability to the Allah's word, and this land belongs to Allah. So even a single Muslim cannot respect his counterparts, whether he is serving in any department, in any country, or anywhere in the living sphere or diaspora. So I would like to say Islamic flag. This is why the Iranian people who are protesting against the Khamenei, they are the true leaders of this society, of this world, that they are fighting against the Islamic Gunism or the hooliganism for making the peace, harmony, throughout the world. This is why Islamic flag was was broken out, or was tear out, or was abrogated, or was wiped out from in the United States of America. This is the great symbol of the humanity and the human values. So Islamic flag, if you are seeing the Islamic flag throughout the India, certainly which are hoisting the flag, Islamic flag, they are the true Muslims, and they are the certified goons. They are the certified criminals. Though in Islam they are not criminals, but according to rule, any country, they are the gangs of the criminals or the groups of the criminals. Because Islam allows the criminal activities against the non-Muslims in the name of the Allah. Actually, these all verses brought by Muhammad in the name of the Allah for his vested interest. What were the vested interests of the Muhammad? His vested interest was due to the frustration of that he was dragged out from Mecca because he was the greatest liar. He told greater lies that he made to Allah. Nowhere is Allah is throughout the world. And this is why the Meccans dragged out, not killed him, because he was the kin of the Meccans, belonged to the but Quraysh tribe of the Hasim clan of the Judaism. They all were the Jews or the non-Muslims. So Islam is based only the symbol of the cruelty, human values against the human values. You may imagine that the killing of the non-Muslim is allowed, and all the Islamic army when went there attacking on the non-Muslim country, they also had this Islamic flag, which is the symbol of the Gunism, hooliganism, barbarism, symbol of the rapist army, symbol of the killing army, symbol of the most criminal groups of the society, which are known as the Muslims, if they are the true Muslim. This is why Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi also carried out this Islamic flag for robbery of the non-Muslim and rape with the Yazidi women, which are not the Muslims. So Islamic flag horrified to non-Muslims, and in many Quranic verses it has been stated that horrified or terrified the non-Muslims, so they cannot fight against you. But this barbaric challenge cannot be exported by any non-Muslims. Nobody can digest this challenge or this threat of the Islamic flag and Islamic Gunism. It is our right to fight against this Islamic Gunism with full confidence and full power. The Quran is an outdated